Hi guys, so today I want to show you how I do a FLEXI rod set on my natural, freshly washed hair. The mistake that I made was not detangling my hair while it was still damp, because now sectioning my hair is very painful. So I'm using a spray bottle to wet my hair. I'm not making it soaking wet. I'm just making it damp so that the detangling can be a little bit easier. The product that I'm using is not a leave-in conditioner or leave-in cream. It's the Palmolive Classic Egg Conditioner, but it's a lightweight product and it works really well with my hair. And I also use the Denman brush to smooth out each section. So I'm going to place the FLEXI rod on the root and use a twisting motion to roll the hair around the FLEXI rod. I would wet my ends again and just apply a little bit of conditioner so that the ends stick to the FLEXI rod and not come loose. So I repeat the process. I wet my hair with a spray bottle and apply the conditioner. I detangle with a comb or another brush and then I smooth out with the Denman brush. After the FLEXI rod set, I used the softwood hairdryer attachment just to speed up the drying process. The softwood hairdryer attachment is very handy during the winter time because it's so cold. Who wants to sit with wet hair? It didn't take so long for my hair to dry because it wasn't soaking wet in the first place. And the softwood hairdryer attachment also helped a lot. So this is how my curl, one of the curls, looks. It's very nice. I love the results. After I've taken out the FLEXI rods, I use the kerastase oil serum and apply it to my hair. Then I would take each curl and separate it, like making smaller sections, smoothing it out in smaller sections after I've applied the oil serum. So this is the end result. I must say it came out perfectly. I've never had a FLEXI rod set that came out this way. So I'm very impressed.